Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You need an AWS account, an IAM user with resource group permissions, and a chosen region. Once confirmed, open the AWS Management Console and navigate to Resource Groups. Start the creation flow. Choose the grouping method, tags, CloudFormation Stack, or ARN, because tags are flexible and portable. Enter a clear name and add the tag key and value if using tags. This ensures consistent discovery and access across services, making future automations simpler. Now you define the group criteria. Select tag-based grouping for broad resource types, or pick a CloudFormation Stack or resource query for precise control. Add multiple tag key value pairs to narrow results. This avoids including unintended resources. Use the preview feature to inspect matched resources. Make sure count and types match expectations. If using queries, validate the syntax and test the query. Once the preview looks correct, apply any additional filters, because accurate selection prevents accidental operations later. Finish by saving the resource group and verifying it appears on the resource group's dashboard. Then apply it as a console filter or reference it in Cost Explorer or automation scripts. Make sure to document the tag standards so team members use the same keys and values. If you see 0 resources, stop and recheck common issues. Verify the region matches, confirm tags are exact and propagated, and ensure your IAM role can list and describe resources. Fixing those usually resolves missing resource problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.